10 surprising uses for baking soda. Bad breath. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and swish around in your mouth for instant fresh breath. Heartburn. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid. Mix 1 teaspoon into 8 ounces of water until dissolved. Drink the whole mixture for fast relief. Meat tenderizer. Sprinkle baking soda on your cut of meat and let sit in the refrigerator for a few hours. Then rinse meat, pat dry with paper towels, and cook as usual. Laundry. Add 1/2 cup of baking soda to your washer to boost the cleaning power of your detergent. The result is cleaner and softer clothes. Odor eliminator. Baking soda absorbs unpleasant odors rather than just masking them. Pour 1/2 cup in a small bowl and place in a smelly room to knock out odors. Mice deterrent. Sprinkle baking soda around the edges of walls, garage, or anywhere you've seen evidence of mice. When the mice come back to those areas, they will walk through the baking soda, getting it on their paws. When they lick their paws to clean them, they will inevitably die. Keep flowers fresh. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water in a vase to extend the life of your fresh cut flowers. Remove urine. Sprinkle baking soda over urine-soaked mattress or sofa and leave for a few hours. The baking soda will absorb the urine and eliminate the lingering odor. Vacuum the area once dry. Insect bites. Soothe an irritated, itchy insect bite by making a paste of baking soda and water. Apply directly to the affected area for quick relief. Cleaner hair. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to your palm with shampoo and wash as normal. This concoction will remove built-up residue from styling products and leave you with squeaky clean hair.